Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
How's it going on, Sheen Senpai? Welcome back today to my brand new video. So today I'm gonna be trying out my new pin. I got it from the $2 shop for around $600. As you can see, it's like a Asian brand. I don't really know what that means or what it's called. And yeah, apparently it's a very cool pin, you know. So we're gonna be trying it out, yeah. What? This I thought this was a red pin, but like, look what it drew. It's like a blue pin. Oh, that's very funny. So, and yeah, we're gonna draw a cube. Man, it's actually pretty cool, man. Nah, I'm just gonna draw a dude. Then do some eyes. Draw a smiley face. Yeah. Then I'll draw my little snapback. And little body. So yeah, it's a pretty cool pin. I mean, it's like a prank kind of pin, you know. It looks like a red pin with the red dimensions, but it's actually a blue pin. So, and yeah, guys, remember to subscribe, like the video, and comment where is my V-Box. And peace out.